Kia Motors is aggressively gearing up to foray into the Indian market and has some big plans to take on its competitors. The Korean car maker has confirmed that it will be launching one new product in the Indian market every 6 months for the next 3 years, as the company looks to fully utilize the 3 lakh units of annual production capacity of its Anantapur plant in Andhra Pradesh. Kia will largely be focusing on SUVs and high-bodied vehicles, as these are more popular in the country. The first model from Kia in India will be the SP21 compact SUV based on the SP concept, which was showcased at the 2018 Auto Expo. Kia will look to consolidate its position in India first by opening 80 dealerships before car sales begin officially. Euro NCAP has crash tested the 2018 Jeep Wrangler and it has received a 1-star rating. Despite being new for 2018 on the European market, the Jeep Wrangler comes equipped with a seatbelt reminder and a simple driver set speed limiter. The official Euro NCAP assessment found that there were various issues with the SUV such as footwell deformation, subpar structural integrity, and marginal protection for the driver and rear seat passengers. In the side barrier test though, the Wrangler scored maximum points with good protection of all critical body areas. The standard safety equipment includes a driver and passenger airbags, side head airbags, and side chest airbags. Suzuki Motorcycle India reached a landmark record with the 4 millionth two-wheeler rolling off the company's factory in Gurugram, Haryana. The production milestone paves the way for Suzuki's target of achieving 1 million volume sales and doubling its market share by 2020 in the country. The company has achieved this milestone in 12 years of operation in India, starting in 2006. It has a pan-India presence with 521 dealerships at present. The company has 16 models under its portfolio in the country. The big chunk of sales volume is driven by the Access 125 and the Bergman Street, along with the Gixxer series and Intruder 155.
If you like this video and you like what we do, well, you've got to simply subscribe to our channel. We'll keep things simple yet comprehensive.